it's me IRSHAD. Today I am showing you how to create a cinematic glitch title. Open your Premiere and I just import a video from After Effects. It's a background video. So just import the downloaded glitch title into the Premiere. And now I will show, if you want to reduce the size, you can go to FX control and adjust the position and scale from here. And also you can adjust the text from here and adjust the bottom text from here. Now I just reduce the size. Now if you can also hear the outline on off. You can on off your the outline, the thin outline from here. And this is the first title and this is the second title. You can also same thing, change the text from here. For example, music. And here you can adjust the box scale and position from here. You just reduce the size of that video length and also change the text to from here. And this is very important. In CC19 you can change the font and everything from here, and here's a text one position. And if you want to control everything, you can go to FX control and change the position and scale. And I add the second title here again and just adjust the duration. And here in second title just change the text. If you write the long text just like this, and so adjust the size of the text and wait for a second. Maybe it's based on your system performance, it's maybe a minute or minutes. So you can adjust the font size from here, so it will okay. Now I just change the second text and adjust the tracking amount from here. And also you can control the box size, box position, everything from here. And here you can control the top text position, the center line size and position, everything, and the outline box size and position, and that star, I mean the plus button, plus icons position, everything you can control from here. And this is the first glitch title. And you can also change the text size, font style, everything, and just increase the box size. Now I need to change the text, second text, and adjust the text position into here and increase the font size. And like this you can, now you can control everything from here. So this is a Premiere Pro cinematic glitch title, and hope you enjoyed. If you want any video suggestion, if you have any video suggestion, please comment it below. So thank you.